Right guys and girls, if there's any, today we're going to start off with part 5 of a build. Doing my trying to polish my stanchions up and stuff. As it's cold and it's pissing down the rain outside, we're wrapping up warm and having a nice cup of tea and something warm to eat before we start, because obviously there's no heating. So that's me talking more. I can more work I can get done. So yeah, let's start.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding,
So I think that's me done for tonight. Until tomorrow, clean my mess up, go to the shop, buy some beers, buy some food, and chill out, I reckon. I haven't made as much done as I haven't got as much done as I wanted to, but this is stuff that takes forever. I'm going to sand down, make sure this is as best as I can, 100% effort, because obviously it's all down to prep work. And then get it as flat as possible. Primer it again. Primer all my other bits. I've just added light sand down to make sure it's all flat. And once I'm 100% sure that it's all put as best I can get it, then we're going to go and paint it, and then that's going to be fun. But the only problem I'm going to get is bits in the air. Until you start painting colours which show all the bits, so you'd be surprised how much shit's actually floating around. But yeah, I've got a good at least 5 hours to do, and then I'm going to paint it, which is fun. But yeah, I'm going to clean my mess up, and then shoot, and then carry on with this tomorrow.
and I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon, and we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn.
So yeah, I haven't got much as I wanted to do this weekend. I'm pretty happy with the amount of filler in, like less. I haven't even put much filler on, but I managed to get most of them like absolutely flat, which I'm quite happy with. But for far as priming goes, yeah, every time I seem to do this painting, I always have fucking shit happen. So my tank fell. Like all these problems do happen in real life. A lot of things you see in videos normally cut. All the good stuff shown. All the bad shit gets cut out of it. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this in. This is dented. Right there. So that's a fucking ball ache. But oh yeah. And I tried I've been trying to do it one-handed, as you've seen. I fucking ended up dropping this. Fucking out. So that's all fucking bits and that shit. So sometime this week, get a dent out, and then sand all that shit off, and then more primer. I'm gonna do another coat of primer, 2 coats of primer on a tank, so I managed to do 1 coat on it, flat all back, and then do 3 coats of colour, and then do quite a lot of coats of lacquer, so then I can sand that back and polish it up. So hopefully I can try and get as much as good as I can. Oh, fucking knackered. Ah, dear man. Why is this shit never go right? I'm trying to cut corners because I haven't got nowhere like stands, nothing to hang them up. Literally got no gloves left. Oh, so much shit. But yeah, it's not all fun and games. A lot of problems do happen, which you don't get to see. As you see, I've got a dented tank and the fucking battery. No, what was that? I think that's oil. Probably the oil tank cover. So yeah, brilliant. So I'm even the deep sanding back tonight. I'm going to pack everything up first and see how I go. But yeah, that's weekend done. More editing to do, and catch you later.